Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about how to make good habits stick and drop the bad ones. Habits are just regular actions, brushing your teeth, checking your phone, writing daily. Some help your health, others get in the way. The good news, you can change the ones that don't work and build better ones. 1. Why habits matter. The more you repeat something, the more automatic it feels. If it's good for you, you'll want to keep doing it. Habits like daily writing or affirmations build motivation and confidence. They also reduce stress by adding structure to your day. Your brain loves routines, it likes knowing what to expect. 2. How to build a new habit. Yes, you can teach yourself new habits. One trick is habit stacking, adding a new habit to something you already do. For example, say your affirmations while brushing your teeth. Here's how to make habits stick. Start small, keep it simple and doable. Make it easy, remove any extra effort. Be consistent, do it at the same time each day. Celebrate wins, use notes or small rewards to stay motivated. Team up, a habit buddy can help you stay on track. 3. Be patient with yourself. Habits take time, about 66 days on average. Miss a day, don't beat yourself up, use it as a chance to spot what got in the way and adjust. 4. Breaking a bad habit. Replace it with something better. Instead of doomscrolling, read, journal, or listen to music. Having a go-to replacement helps when the urge hits. 5. More tips. Stay aware. Notice how the habit feels. Know your why. Keep your reason for changing in mind. Spot triggers. Plan ahead for tricky moments, like walking after dinner instead of vaping, or using a fidget toy instead of biting your nails. 6. Get support if needed. A therapist can help you find the root of your habits. Create realistic goals. Stay motivated and consistent. Work through resistance. And adjust your approach when things get tough. Some habits come from deeper struggles, and that's okay. Support can make a big difference. You've got this. Start small, stay consistent, and give yourself grace along the way. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.